So i-Orlando Pirates iyodlala against i-Cape Town City kusasa. Iyodlala ngo-3:30 idlala e-Orlando Stadium kumgqibelo. Uma ungalithenga ithikithi hambo lithenga ithikithi Orlando Pirates iyofuna i-revenge kule club le. Menikhumbula kahle i-Cape Town City iyadlala ne-Orlando Pirates idlala e-Cape Town beze bewina ngo-1-0 kuze kora umdlali ekuthiwa uGonzalez. But kunomdlali engifuna ukukhuluma ngaye la. Yabona uTeto Maswanganyi. uTeto Maswanganyi bafethu kumele kule game ayibonakalise ngempela ukuthi umdlalo ngempela for Orlando Pirates. Yes, I know uTeto Maswanganyi is one of the best players abakhona eOrlando Pirates. Isenzo seOrlando Pirates but mukhumbula kahle. First match Orlando Pirates yayiluza neteam yale Cape Town. Igoli langena kwaba khona imistake yadalwa ubani iyadalwa uyena uTeto Maswanganyi sidlani Stellenbosch. Yadalwa uTeto Maswanganyi imistake yalithatha iStellis yaphasela uTitus ngale uTitus ofika wakora igoli kwaba 1-0 yadliwa kanjalo Orlando Pirates. The following match Orlando Pirates eyadliwa kuyona kwi-Betway Premiership kwi-team yase Cape Town yayidlala against iCape Town City lapho khona wathola ithuba uTeto Maswanganyi uthi equalize yabo alinganise amagoli nale club sasidlala nayo washaya wenzani kahle wathola i-penalty kusawu-0-0 yabo washaya ipali lapho. So kule game le kumele ayibonakalise impela umjida because uma subheka kwi-history vele ye-Orlando Pirates ihlezi izoba namabhadi imidlala namateam ase Cape Town. I don't know why. Yabo i-Orlando Pirates ayikaze vele ibe nenhlanhla yokuthi idlale kahle against these Cape Town teams. But ke right now kusasa siyodinga lo 3 points kumele siyivale igap neMamelodi Sundowns lapha phezulu. So uTeto Maswanganyi for me kumele umjida ayibonakalise kusasa ukuthi ulo mdlali lo ngempela Orlando Pirates ekumele ilibeke ithemba lakhe ithemba lethu kuyena yabo ithemba nje leOrlando Pirates lilele kuyena uTeto Maswanganyi kusasa. Siyadinga impela umjida because mukhumbula kahle le penalty ayishaya against the Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs wayesene confident umjida kuyabonakala ukuthi wayepractice impela usama penalty washaya kanjani because siyamazi uTeto Maswanganyi umjida vele ojwayele ushaya ama penalty wayishaya ipenalty against iMamelodi Sundowns idlala le kwi-Nedbank Cup final yabo. Kusasa abafana kumele bakhokhe isibhongo kule match le siyadinga ukuya le Orlando Stadium siyobakhombisa impela ukuthi kahle lento abayenze eCape Town City lento abayenze eCape Town Stadium kwakuyifluke. Lento bayenza le Cape Town kwakuyifluke nje abafethu kumele babuyele yabo. But ke looking at the squad seOrlando Pirates isquad seOrlando Pirates lese besodlala against iGolden Arrows yize ingadlalanga leya match leya. But looking at that squad, looking at that lineup, I'm sure Orlando Pirates izoqalisa yona ilineup leya lineup leya ingashaya noma yipi club la kuPetway Premiership for me yabo. It's been a while since I saw isquad seOrlando Pirates esiqine kanje yabo kube sidlalele le game yeGolden Arrows. It's a pity ukuthi asiyidlalanga because nilibonile iground belinjani yabo. It was waterlogged ipostponiwe igame isibekele elunye usuku singesazi ukuthi izodlalwa nini. But lesa squad lesana siqinile mfethu siqine ngempela yabo. Ungangitshela wena score prediction sakho segame yakusasa ukuthi igame izophela ngoba but mina I see Orlando Pirates kule game iwina ngo-3-0. I see Orlando Pirates iwina ngo-3-0 la. Ungangitshela wena score prediction sakho but my score prediction is 3-0. I see uTeto Maswanganyi score la. I see uMabasa score la. I see maybe Dion Hoto scoring tomorrow yabo singesazi. And I see uMfukeng eshaya ama assist kule game le. Ungangitshela score prediction sakho zakusasa.